What are DMAC in there?
What the fuck is it? Shut the fuck up.
Please shut up, dude.
Yeah.
You guy.
Shut the fuck up.
You wanna go? You wanna go?
Where do I wanna go? To my fucking pussy, you stupid faggot.
Oh, so you don't have a dick, you little bitch?
Shut the fuck up.
Hey, you said it now.
Shut the fuck up, don't talk to me.
Shut up, kid.
Fucking dumbass.
Oh, nice shot. I'm not sure how you one-shot me.
Nova one-shots everything.
Your mom.
Oh, your mom is so big.
Oh, wrecked!
Rex, with the fucking clock, 18, dude.
Yeah, I got like 4 kills before you. Good job.
Not even playing, you stupid bits. I'm doing something else.
Jerking your 1-incher?
No.
Going for that no-scope you like.
I'm fucking your mom right now, stupid bitch.
Okay. You wanna be fast, I'll just do that.
Go do something about your mic.
I'll do something about it.
Wow. I'm fucking crying right now.
Okay, Nemesis, you're lagging a ton. I can't even hit you.
Fucking noob.
Yeah, the lag. Good luck, have fun, guys. Anyone have a mic on
Launch up prize.
Come on, guys, I'm going to fucking do this shit. Say you was good.
Alright. That was fun. Interesting. Alright, I'm going lower tons to watch that B-Rush. Or Cat.
I'll watch long. Let's go.
Tell me if they're coming or you hear something.
They're long.
One long. One cat too. I'm rushing behind them, flanking. You can go first, I guess. I have the TV. I hate the TV, I'm ready on ammo. No, I'm not. Oh man. Trying to rush that guy on site, but just in CT. Oh, there's only one guy left, sorry guys.
I'm defusing the bomb.
Nice fake. Wait, did you buy a diffuser or just did you just pick? I picked it up. You picked up mine, good. Alright, go B.
Let's go.
Somebody can join me too.
Deploying decoy.
There you go, that's good. Alright. There B, rotate. They're all lit. Oh, I had that. One's lit 62. Just run that cart. That guy's one guy. Run on your left.
Okay.
One in the back at the corner. Sight. Nice.
Good job.
Well, okay. Good shit, man. There we go. Somebody buy me? They're gonna have no money for the next 2 rounds. They just bought this one. Maz, can you buy me like an M4? Thank you.
Let's go, people.
Actually, I'll go. They're opping. No, scouting. I don't hear anything, B.
They're going to cap.
Well, they have
Mid.
I
One
don't know
going
how they
up
had this
CT.
one. They bought last round and this round.
One CT.
Good job, Garion.
Eric, just do callouts.
No.
Shut up. Could be.
They picked up.
Bro,
Go lower tons quick, rush him.
What the fuck?
Nice.
Good job.
Nice shot.
I'll watch long.
I'm gonna rush B.
Let's go. Laying down smoke. Flashbang.
Well, they're B. He's lit for 69.
One lit for 24. The other for like 80. They're all in B.
Throwing flashbang.
Nice try.
Yup. We're wasting time. Let's go.
Here's the water.
Good job, Maz.
I'm watching mid.
Two cap. One more with a help or a scout, I don't know.
Bombs down mid. Bombs down mid with 79.
One can flank them. Go up cat. Alright, blue. Are you ready? Go, we'll go in together. 3, 2, 1. Go, 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 go.
Well, nice job.
Didn't really work, but we got him. So. Eric, you need to buy?
Go, go, go!
I just want to keep on. I want to piss that kid off with the hat. Got him
One
again.
check 9 me. Nice. Oh my god.
Throwing a grenade.
That was
Good job.
hilarious.
There's a FAMAS there if anyone want it.
I'll take it.
Let's move out. Alright.
I'm done. That was so funny.
Going flashbang.
Alright, I'll just watch mid for now.
Grenade out.
He's dead. What? They're all B. One's lit 29.
Yellow, push in. Just one guy. Yeah, he got me.
Oh, damn.
He has a FAMAS. Yeah, you could have got him
He
on
took my
yours.
M4.
Yeah, just-
Good job.
Good job.
I'm sucking right now.
It's alright, as long as we're winning, that's good.
I'm gonna up over there.
Alright. I'm gonna be. One more join.
I'm gonna up down prone. People are gonna get here.
Throwing smoke. Flashbang.
No one B.
CT spawn, CT spawn.
Oh. I got one. Is there one more?
No, there were two there.
Yeah, I got them both. Well, it's the same Isaac I have, but it's B.
There's this guy running out.
Bomb has been planted.
I just planted B.
Defusing the bomb.
Yeah, I got it.
Bomb has been defused. Counter-terrorists win. Move it, move it.
Imagine getting caught that just upping downtown.
Incendiary. Fire in the hole. Deploying.
Where are they?
Cat, one more cat.
Long.
Shit, my phone's ringing. I know how to grab it. I'm kidding.
Counter-terrorists win.
That was terrible by me.
Okay.
Just to survive.
You guys are both in red.
This is our day.
Are you kidding me? Wow, I was in midair. Don't peek that. I wouldn't do that, yellow.
Chat, chat.
Yeah, I think that's good.
Bomb down at cat, cat.
That was a beautiful shot. I can... Hold up.
Counter-terrorists.
Nice shot. Good job.
Let's go, let's go.
They're going in. Don't even go B, they're going in.
By what? By cat?
Deploying flashbang.
Yeah, one cat. I leave.
Flashbang.
I saw one. Two cats.
Yep, I'm dead. That's cat.
Rotating B, all of them. I don't know why you said not go B.
There's still one at A.
Why?
They're all B.
That
yeah.
should go B, should go B.
You can phase if you want. Nice. In the third, bitch.
Throwing flashbang. Flashbang.
Just live.
Yo, save it, get out of it. Oh my god.
One of them I done. Nope, what else? I would piss that kid off so much.
Let's go, people.
What the fuck? Oh, whatever. My auto down here.
Flashbang. Grenade out.
They're going to be.
Throwing fire. Deploying flashbang.
Nice flash. He's by the garbage can.
I'll distract them, just go in blue.
One more. Check car. He fight.
Diffusing.
I told you that I'm making noise.
I didn't even buy that auto, so can't call me.
If it was me.
Let me smoke it off before you cross
Let's
B.
go. Laying down smoke. Incendiary out. Flashbang.
They flashed A.
There's one going cat. I can't shoot because I'm jumping at them.
Deploying flashbang.
He's lit. Shit, he's lit 37.
Fire in the hole.
feel like they're coming from T-spawn. I'll watch you.
Counter-terrorists win. Our mission is simple. Take them out. Smoke!
Oh shit.
Matt, do you see something?
What?
Never mind, never mind. One more coming, Cat.
Oh yeah, he's A-side.
Get on my way!
The bog's down there. Okay.
Terrorists win.
Woo!
Job.
I didn't even see him.
His head basically walked into my crosshair.
Let's go. Throwing smoke.
Cat. One more coming, Cat. Done, Cat.
Deploying flashbang. Throwing flashbang. Throwing a grenade. Counter-terrorist.
How good I'm playing right now, I'm gonna get back banned, I swear.
Yo, dude.
I actually turned the corner and just headshotted him in like a split second.
Where are we going?
I'm gonna watch that over. Let's just go rush long. Yeah, let's do that.
Hit.
Throwing a grenade.
I'm at 1 HP.
Planting.
Last one's coming to long.
Terrorists win.
Nice. Halfway there for the pistol round win. You know, get that kid, man. You think it.
Take care of yourselves.
Alright, A split. Some go cat, some go long. I'll go cat.
I'm going to be.
Two there.
I don't think I'm behind it. Never mind. He's lit for 71. The other one's lit for like 50. We're still two. They're coming from either cat or long. Cat or CT. Maybe even going long.
Bomb has been planted.
That was terrible. but the one's on site. Yeah, he's lit for a lot.
Oh,
Nice
damn.
try.
Good try.
Bomb has been defused.
Yeah, we did.
I'm saving for another auto.
Yeah, me too. Oh, not for another. Let's just same plan. I guess
We
long.
will
I guess.
defeat the mercenaries.
Or should I AK?
Flashback. Smoke.
I did so much damage.
Just be patient and stay here. You fool.
One coming from lower.
Be patient. Green. Or sorry, blue.
Yellow's at A side already. One in pit.
One hit me. Yo, blue, you gotta help me out. There you go. Thank you. Yo, hide in pit. Ah, both
my
long.
bad.
it's alright. Nice. That's one.
Only one left.
He's on the bomb.
Just make sure you have cover if you're gonna attack him. Not like that. Check your corners, man. That's alright. Silver 2 such silver ones.
I'm gonna buy a mask in this round and next round buy one. Oh no, not a.
Move, my brothers. Smoke.
I think there's one in the smoke.
How in the hell? Lower lit 34.
Nice shoot.
Grenade.
Nice nade.
Blending.
Okay, plant that.
Bomb has been planted. Throwing a flashback. Terrorists win.
Good job. Anyone want to go B?
Yeah, sure.
Safe.
Rush B.
Let's go, my friends.
Eric with that auto.
3 and 2 went. And I had to hit some of them. At least one.
Bennett.
Alright, plant it. I got tons.
I am blending the
Two in CD spawn.
I got T spawn.
bomb has been
Coming lower, going lower.
flashback.
Kill one in CD. Oh wow.
26 tons. Nice. Eric! Let's go! Okay, last one's mid.
I hit him once.
Play the bomb, I wanna win this round. Watch out,
Watch out
corners
in tunnels.
coming behind. Yeah. I think I hear him behind you. Nice.
Yellow is so nice. Yellow, nice yellow. I love you.
Yellow got the ace.
Yellow. My boy. Kenny Snoop. Kenny you my boy. Guys, everybody say Kenny Snoop. Kenny Snoop.
Kenny Snoop.
Oh, I'm the only one. Okay.